Explanation. If we fill the glass with pure clean water and taste it, smell it, we come to know that the pure water has no color, smell, or taste like fragrant flower, ripe fruits. We can see the water in the glass as well. That means water is transparent. If you can see through a substance, it is said to be a transparent and we cannot see through it. It is said to be opaque. If we take the water in different shapes of vessels, then it takes the shape of the vessel. That means water has no shape of its own. There are three states of water: solid state in the ice cream, liquid state, what we use every day, gaseous state. Water vapor is the gaseous state. When water gets enough heat, it turns into vapor and water gets reduced. As steam cools, it turns into water. If we keep ice cubes in dry glass, we see that the glass becomes wet inside and moist outside of the glass because of the air around the glass contains water vapor. Substances like salt, sugar dissolve in water and get the respective taste.